Introducing the new RYOBI 18V 1 Plus Premium HP floor care range with powerful suction and a sleek black design that complements any home. There's a product for every floor and every mess. The new RYOBI Wet and Dry Hard Floor Cleaner quickly cleans spills and everyday messes. Unlike a mop and bucket, it has separate water tanks, so it's always using clean water to leave hard floors sparkling. At the touch of a button, it cleans itself. The new self-standing RYOBI upright vacuum has 3 modes of suction power and wrap defense technology that minimises hair wrapping around the roller bars. No mess, no fuss. The new RYOBI Pet Stick Vac has dual rollers for collecting dust, debris and pet hair. It also converts into a handheld vacuum with specialised attachments for delicate surfaces and tight spaces. RYOBI's new portable spot cleaner is your go-to product for quickly tackling life's unexpected spills and stains. It's a game changer for cleaning car interiors too. RYOBI's new floor care range is part of the RYOBI 1 Plus system, allowing you to clean every part of your home with one battery, which also powers more than 200 RYOBI 1 Plus products. See the new RYOBI floor care range in store at your local Bunnings warehouse.